And hello there. Okay, so I'm back. I have finished gluing the cover to the front, to the cardboard, to the front and the back, and brought the fabric over and put this piece in the middle. Now I didn't show you that because I'm gonna have to do it again. This did not work out. It is too tight. I can't close it, and it's too small. I put Rotunda in here, and she don't fit. And if I were to force it closed, look how much is sticking out. So after all that work, I'm not going to start from the beginning. What I'm going to do is cut this off. Let's cut the front and the back off of the back, the center back. And I'm just gonna take a razor and cut right through like so. And hopefully I can get all that taken care of. So like I said before, this is my first time doing this, so, and I was kind of upset because I spent, you know, a good amount of time painting this pretty background, and I only have one more sheet of this canvas fabric. But I managed to just think about it and remeasure everything again, and I'm pretty positive this is gonna work out fine. Okay, so all these scraggly edges I'm gonna have to get off. Let's see. Most of the work is done already. I just need to okay, you know, I'm gonna have to clean this up a little bit, and maybe if I can take that off would help. I don't know if I can take this one off. This one's glued on there really good. And then another thing I noticed when I put it together, it's supposed to have enough room in here to push the backing through. So this is a 2-inch spine that I had cut, definitely too small, so I went for the 3-inch. And this time I'm going to leave lots of room in the middle like that, so I have plenty of room. And well, I'm hoping this works, you know. Okie dokie. I'm gonna put this on the fast mode, because first thing I gotta do is paint this. I cut this piece, and I'm going to put it like this, glue this to here, glue this to here, and then glue this together like so. And it should give me the backing. All right, so I'm gonna put you on the fast mode. Alrighty then. Um, I knew I couldn't replicate this because it would just never match. So I thought to do contrasting. Now I used the same paints I used in this painting, except I kept it to the blues and the metallic. This is called Interference paint by Golden. And what it is if you move it around and you see different colors popping up, but all it really is just metallic paint. So because this stuff is super expensive, I've been having it for years. It does last a very long time. You know, I'm top 15, maybe more years I've been having these tubes, and they work great. But you can have the same effects with metallic paints. So this is what I have in mind. I'm going to put this here, and then here, and this one here, and it's going to give me this look. Let me see if I can kind of just a little bit there, and this is going to be the center, and it's going to come up like that. I also have this lace, and I'm thinking about putting it down the center of the spine like this, or I can cut it, trim it in half, and put one edge over the edge here and another edge over the edge here. Leave the center blank. Might be doing that. And then when I turn this over, which when I glue it, it's going to be like this. Glue this in the center. And I drew these lines, so I try to stay, you know, as far in the center as possible. And these are going to go right here. And this time, I'm going to give them plenty of room to breathe. Right there. And right here. And this is going to go over and over. And then the book's going to go right here. But before I glue the book in, I want to do a closure. And I was thinking about this ribbon. This is like old too. Oh my goodness, it's so old. But I love this ribbon. It's shiny metallic green gold color. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue a piece here to come out, and a piece here to come out. Or maybe I'll just put it all the way around. No, just on the covers. And when I close the book, I can tie the ribbon together. So those are my plans. I hope it works out this time. I've been working on this forever. But that's how you learn, you know. Because I've seen people do this a million times on YouTube. I've never actually done it myself. And you really don't know, you know, how it's going to work out until you do it. So, here we go. All right, and I'll go ahead and do this on the fast mode. It's dry, and I just need to fold this over and glue. I'm gonna trim this even up with this. Come on, these scissors are getting so gunked up with glue. Okay, and for this I'm just gonna be using Aleene's. That's fine. A little bit of Aleene's, fine. And I want this to go in this channel like so, and some more for the lace. And I'm gonna have to hold this down because it's not gonna stick very long. Okay, so anyways, while I was waiting for this to dry, I just kind of put it up against my book, and guess what? It doesn't fit. After all of that, it's too big. It is way too big. There's so much room left on both sides. I should have stuck with the 2-inch that I had originally done and just made it more separate here. So yeah, it's not gonna work. There's too much of a gap left right here, and it makes the book, if I were to glue these pages down here like this, it would completely distort everything. So I'm scrapping this idea for this book, but because this came out so beautiful, I am just in love. Look at this. I'm not going to scrap this. I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to use it for a later project. And I drew these lines right here because I'm not sure. I might make it into a sewn in signature book that I can do myself. So I divided these in 1/2 inches. What is that, 1/4 inches? No, 1/2 inches. So I would have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signatures. That's a lot. I could do that, or I could punch some holes up here and up here, and do like a keeper. I don't know what you call those things. Traveler's keeper. You know, with the elastic like Shannon does. I could do that and just insert already made signatures in there, and that would be okay too. But it is very pretty, and like I said earlier in my other video, this is the first time I do this. I've only seen people do it on YouTube, and I thought, that looks easy, I could do that, right? But there's thing about measurements. But I learned a lot from working on this. Now, that's one thing, you know, no mistake is a total failure. You learn. And I did learn. I did learn a lot. So, I'm going to pick this up, and I'm going to put it away for now and see what I could do to finish this. Now, any of you are, you know, very good at doing this kind of stuff, like, you know, like Nikki the Booksmith. Oh my God, I love her channel. She does some wonderful stuff. I've learned so much from her. But like I said, mostly watching, not actually doing. So that makes a difference. You can learn a lot from watching, but not until you do it that you actually know what you're doing. All right, so I'm going to pick this up for now and just put it away. So I still have the dilemma of my Rotundra. Now, I did cover the outside with a canvas. So it's good and sturdy the way it is, but it's not pretty. So I thought, well, you know what? I could do the same thing and cover it with fabric. So this is a piece of fabric that I had. It's an indoor-outdoor fabric. And it's a little scrap that I had laying around. And it's nice and thick. So what I'm going to do is cover the book with this. And it's going to give it something. But before I'm not going to put the fabric directly on this. I want it to have some kind of cover. So I took this scrap piece of paper and I made a template of what to go, of how it would fit around the book. Like so. I just made it slightly bit longer here on the ends, so it's not even with the pages. And I took this pattern, use it as pattern, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue this down to here, cover it up, and glue it to that. So I'm going to do that. When I come back, hopefully I'll have the finished product. Okay? Oh, and if any of you really know, you know, how to do this stuff, write down in the comments, like, what I did wrong. You know, just be nice. Okay, bye. And we're back. All right, I went ahead and glued my book together. And I'm really pleased with the way this came out. And it was so simple compared to the other one. And yeah, it came out good. It's nice and sturdy, and I consider this a soft cover. And I'm just going to do a really quick flip through to show you what was, you know, if I had, I'm sure I have glued a lot of stuff since the last time. I love this little gecko. I find him all over the place, and I always, every time I see him, I cut him out and stick him down. I believe this one is finished. And I don't know if you've seen this one or not. I found a picture of Drew Brees. He's my favorite quarterback for the New Orleans Saints. And kind of kept this a little bit on the black and gold theme. And I put a Mardi Gras mask on there, of course. Still haven't done anything on here. I have a lot of space to still glue. You see, some of these I haven't done anything with. I think I finished putting all the big cats down. I have a lot of cats in this book. Right there, and here. Still have a long ways to go. Oh, this is probably done. I'm not sure yet. Here's another little Geico lizard. I like the way this one came out. All the lipsticks. It's really cool. Yeah. I believe this one's done too. Nothing here. Oh, I love this one. It's one of my favorite. Chicken out. I'll put my chicken and some chicken nuggets. No, these are chicken wings. And this page just has food. A lot of food. It's my chocolate page. Now this cat doesn't belong to the background. I put him on top of there. I thought that would be cute. And this girl, I found the perfect girl to lay on my couch. So I think I've put in some other household items here, maybe. I don't know. I'll have to check it out. And found this picture of Princess Diana. My rock and roll page is coming up. Good. My Geico lizard again. See, I got him here 3 times. And I believe that's about it. And this is what I should have done in the first place, because this is an easy peasy one. But I'm actually really pleased with this. It came out beautiful. Thinking about doing like a junk journal kind of thing on here. I don't know yet. It's going to be a later project. And thank you for watching, and sorry that, well, this video is short, but the first one was so long, and it was just a lot of trial and error. Now, I did enjoy doing the video of the painting, so I might do some more like that, just painting. That would be cute. Okay, let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.